everyone and welcome to my channel Healthy Kitchen by Haifa. Today I'm gonna make Briks. It's a very popular dish in Tunisia and it's extremely delicious, easy to make. As you can see, the ingredients are simple, affordable and available in every kitchen. So we're gonna need a little bit of salt and a little bit of ground black pepper. Also, we're gonna need some pastry sheets. They're supposed to be available in any Asian store, or if you go to any regular store, just ask for Asian section and they're supposed to be available there. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please do, so you can watch all my future videos, and thank you very much for your support. So these are the main ingredients. For the filling, we're gonna need shrimps, onion that we're gonna cut in very small pieces, a little bit of lemon, garlic, and eggs. Eggs, it depends with how many persons, so 1 egg per person. The shrimps, we can replace it or substitute the shrimp with the ground beef or tuna. We can add mashed potato, we can add cheese, or we can add parsley. There is a lot of other things that we can add to the filling. So in a pan, in a medium heat, we're going to use some oil. I'm going to use some peanuts oil. You can choose the oil that you prefer. And then we're going to add the onion, the garlic, a little bit of pepper, black pepper, a little bit of salt, we're going to start adding the shrimp. I'm going to add all the shrimp. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. Wait until the shrimps are cooked and the onion are start to the color change to golden. About 10 minutes, and then we turn off the heat. So here the shrimps are cooked, and as you can see, the onion, the color did turn golden brown. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice. So I did add a little bit of lemon juice. I'm gonna wait a little bit when it's cold, the shrimp are cold, and I'm gonna remove the tail. I kept them because I know they add some flavor when we cook the shrimps with the tail. So I'm gonna wait until it's cold, and I'm gonna remove the tail. I did turn off the heat. I did remove all the tails. The garlic and the lemon juice did add a lot of flavor to the shrimps. The taste is unbelievable. So I decided to add some mashed potato to the filling. So I did cut 3 potatoes to small pieces. I did add some water. I did cover it with water, and I'm cooking them for probably 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna smash them and add them to the filling like mashed potato until they become like mashed potato, and then I'm gonna add them to the filling. I did add some salt here and some pepper. So I waited for the potato until it did get cold, and then I did remove the skin, and I'm using this one to smash it. And then I'm gonna add this potato to the shrimp and the sauce, to the filling. I didn't want to waste the sauce because it tastes really, really good. We can add some cheese if you want to. So we take 1 sheet of pastry, we put a little bit of the filling, which is the shrimp and the potato, and we make like a half a circle, and we leave some room here where we're gonna put the egg. And we're gonna add also a little bit of cheese here. Any kind of cheese that you guys prefer. We can put a little bit of cheese in the middle also. So I'm gonna add the egg in the middle like this. I'm gonna fold it, and then I'm gonna fry it. So when we put it in the oil, we have to seal it like this, just to make sure that the filling won't leak outside the pastry sheet. Like this, seal it. When it turns a little bit brown, we turn it on the other side. So it depends if we want the egg well done or medium, but usually like when this part turn brown, we just have to flip it. See, start to get the color start to get golden here. We start to have the brown color, so it's time to flip it. So both sides did turn brown, like this color. Now it's ready to pull it out. We make sure that we don't take any excess of oil. This is our Briks, are ready. I did add some salad, some olive, just to decorate the plate with some flour also. If you don't want the shrimp, you can substitute, or you can replace the shrimp with the tuna or with the chicken or with the ground beef. So there is a lot of alternative that you can replace the shrimps with it. This is our plate. It's extremely delicious. Hope you guys try it and enjoy it. And my husband, he's here. He wanna start eating. So
hi everybody.
It's really crunchy. If you like crunchy food, you're gonna love it.
Nice.
So if this is the first time you watch my video, please subscribe so you can see all my future videos. Hope you try it and you enjoy it.
Wow.
Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.